Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Binance gift card. As the first step, go ahead and open up the application. And once you're in here, go ahead over to the home section. Now go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. And then in here, go ahead and scroll down and find more services. Okay. Tap on it. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and find gift card. Okay. So let's go ahead and scroll down a bit. And let's find gift card. And it's usually located right here at the very bottom, right here under others. Okay, so tap on gift card, or if you want to, you can go ahead and use the search bar as well at the very top. Okay, now once you're in here, tap on OK. Now go ahead and enter the redemption code. Okay, right here. You can go ahead and redeem the crypto. Tap on this option, enter the redemption code, and just tap on redeem. Another option right here, enter card number to check value and status. Okay, you can go ahead and check it out right here and just hit on check. But again, if you want to redeem, tap on this option. So the code right here is a 16 character sequence of letters and numbers. Gift cards are typically issued in USDT or USDC, but can be redeemed and converted into various supported cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Just make sure when you redeem that your account is fully verified. Okay, as you cannot redeem if your account is not verified. And that's basically it. That is how you redeem Binance gift card. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.